Are you managing multiple teams and brands and need a system to ensure that the different team members do not see each other's confidential client and brand details? With Mavic's new team and brand access setup, you can manage this easily. In this quick walkthrough, I will explain how that works. So when you sign up for Mavic, you will create a team workspace, which you can configure and look at the settings on the right hand side here. And within your different teams, you will have different brands. So you can select the different brands connected to your account on the left hand side here. Now, let's say you want to add a team member to a particular brand, but you do not want them to access all the other brands within your account. You can go to the top left side here and either click invite user, which you can put the email address here. You can choose the brand roles, and you can also learn about the different things the different brand roles can do. Or you can actually go into settings, check out who are the current users within the settings of the brand, and click invite user here. And once you have added someone into your brand workspace here, they will only see the information within this brand in your Mavic account. They will not be able to switch between all the different brands connected to your team. However, if you wish to add someone into your brand directly, you can click on the right hand side here and go to team. And within this team, you can add a team admin. And all the team administrators here will have full access to all the brands. They can help you manage, create, archive, delete brands, and they can also manage brand settings such as allocating credits limit. Which brings me to the second part of the video, which is a new team management feature that we have introduced to Mavic. So we know that right now you have different credits allocation. So if you want to be able to limit the credits for a specific brands, go to your team, click on credits, click on brands, and you can actually see all the different brands here with the allocated credits. If you want to give them this brand a monthly credit cap, click on the edit button here, and you can allocate the maximum credits per month. If you do not allocate any credits per month, the brand will be part of your team's shared credit pool, and they will just take out, it will be a first come, first serve basis. So that's it. This is a very short tutorial to give you a new walkthrough of the backend that we've created for bigger teams with multiple team members and multiple brands. Hope you enjoyed it. See you the next time.